y'all, welcome to 5-in-1 TV. My name is Taylor. I'm the owner of 5-in-1 Dollhouse LLC. Today we're going to be talking about some cheats to the Cricut, how to master your Cricut, the machine and from the app. So let's get into the video. Okay, so that's the Cricut. This right here is your needle. This is where it's gonna cut. Okay, cool. So when you're making a cut, and I'll show y'all an example. When you're making a cut, your computer is gonna prompt you to load the machine. This button loads it, this button cuts it, and this one is self-explanatory, it pauses it. Okay, so over here, you have group, ungroup, duplicate, delete. Duplicate and delete are self-explanatory. Group and ungroup, I can show you an example of how you group things. So say I want 5-in-1 and then I want a star. So I can take this and I can group it. Okay. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna ungroup it and delete that. There's some buttons down here that says slice, weld, attach, flatten, and contour. So I can show you what all these buttons do. So I'm gonna bring a square, and I'm gonna put the 5-in-1. I have to bring it forward. So I put the 5-in-1 over the square as such, and say I want to use the slice button. It's the first button. Boom, I sliced it. So what that do, boom. So now you got a square with this 5-in-1 in the middle and the 5-in-1 cutout. Okay, cool. So in order for you to make your design, sometimes, not this time, apparently. So say if you have another thing right here, and I don't like this font. Okay. So if you weld it, it will make one single cut. The weld button is down here, instead of it being two different cuts. So I'm gonna undo it, make it, and you see it would be two different cuts, right? If you want one single cut, you would weld it together. Now, I would say this, when you weld stuff together, there's no button on the Cricut design space that unwelds. There's no way to unweld it unless you press the undo button right here in the top left hand corner. Undo it. Okay, I had to undo it a lot, apparently. That was weird. Okay, cool. So you can only unweld if you weld it and then undo it with the undo button. Okay, cool. So say I want to make a sticker. Say I want to make a sticker, right? So I want to change this font. Yellow Rabbit is my favorite font. Okay. So, say I want to make a sticker. I want to make square stickers. I want to make a lot of square stickers. So, what I would do, I would take this and I would group it. So I double tap and I press the group. You can also use this button right here to group. No biggie. So say I want to make a sticker. I want to make clear stickers at that. In order for you to make a sticker, you would select it and you would press this button here, flatten. That will make this one. So it would print it, and instead of the printer cutting out the square and the 5 and 1 on the center, it would just cut out the square. So you can unflatten it. Okay, cool beans. So we got one more button right here in the corner. It's called contour. So let me show you what you would use for the contour. Contour is for stuff that already has logos. So say I'm gonna use the Dollhouse Fitness logo. So this logo was already uploaded to my computer. I'll definitely show you how to upload stuff. So if I would like to contour it, it would take me here. So contouring is just hiding what you want to hide. So say if you want to make the cut without the select view, the fitness and the dots that's under the fitness, because you want to make that a different color, no problem. It deletes it. It doesn't delete it, but it removes it so that you can make the cut. You can always go back to the contour and put it back. Okay, cool. So in order for you to upload images, you go to upload and you press upload images right here. And it will take you here, you browse, and so on and so forth. Okay, that concludes the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope it helps some of my beginners or not so beginner Cricut users out there. Comment anything that you want to see in the future on my channel. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Like the video and put on those post notifications. We will be posting at least one video a week. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of the Cricut and the Cricut Design Space. See y'all soon.